Welcome back to the channel everyone. So in our previous video we have discussed about method overloading, right? So in our today's video we will see what is method overriding. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see here, I have a class here named override and it has main method. So let's create another classes here. Let's say I create one class X and I create another class y here, and y extends class X. Okay, so here we are using the concept of inheritance, right? Y is a subclass and X is our superclass. Okay, so let me take a method here, and the method of method name is show here. Okay, and this will simply print system.out.println, and it prints that it is X class. Okay, now let's take the same method in the y class here, and within the y class right here y class. Okay, so as you can see here, I have created one class named X, and X is our super class, and it contains one method show, and show method prints X class here. And I have another class Y which is a subclass, and it extends the class X. Okay, and it also have the same method here, void show, and it prints the Y class. Now in my previous video I explained in method overloading that in method overloading it is necessary that a method name must be same, and the second key point is the argument list must be different, right? So here as you can see, in method overriding the first key point is same, that the method name must be same, which is show here, but the second point in method overriding is the argument list also must be same, not different. In method overloading the argument list is different, but in method overriding the argument list must be same. So as you can see here, if show method does not contain any argument, then it is necessary that this show method also does not contain any argument. Okay, so now if I want to print this message, I have to call the show method. So I have to create the object of y class here. Okay, so create object obj, say for example the name of object is obj, and y here, and just write obj dot show here. Okay, so now if I run this program, let's see what is the output of this. So as you can see, it prints y class. Okay, so if I remove this method, say for just for a moment I comment this method. Okay, and if now I am running the program, then as you can see it prints X class. It will print the method of this X class here. Okay, if I comment this method, and then if I am calling the show method using the y class object, it will call the X class method, because y class does not contain show method, right? But if I write the same method in y class, and then if I am running the program, it will print y class. It means it will call this show method of y class first, and then it prints the y class. So from this we can say this show method overrides the method of its parent class, and this parent class is X here, so it overrides this show method of X by the method of Y. Okay, so this is the concept of method overriding. So yeah, if you have any doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you do like the video, hit the like button, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.